It won't be easy, you'll think it's strange when I try to explain how I feel, that I still need your love after all that I've done. You won't believe me. All you see is a girl you once knew, although she's dressed up to the nines, at the sixes and the sevens with you. I had to let it happen, I had to change. Couldn't stay all my life down at you, looking out of the windows, staying out of the sun. So I chose freedom, running around, trying everything new, but nothing impressed me at all. I never expected it to. Don't cry for me, Argentina. The truth is I never left you. All through my wild days, my mad existence, I kept my promise. Don't keep your distance. And as for fortune, and as for fame, I never invited them in, though it seemed to the world they were all I desired. They are illusions, they're not the solutions they promised to be. The answer was here all the time. I love you and hope you love me. Don't cry for me, Argentina. Don't cry for me, Argentina. The truth is I never left you. All through my wild days, my mad existence, I kept my promise. Don't keep your distance. Have I said too much? There's nothing more I can think of to say to you. But all you have to do is look at me to know that every word is true. When I was young, I listened to the radio, waiting for my favorite songs. When they played, I sing along, it made me smile. Those were such happy times and not so long ago. How I wondered where they'd gone. But they are back again, just like a long-lost friend. All the songs I love so well. Every sha-la-la-la, every woe still shines. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling, then they're starting to sing so fine. When they get to the part where he's breaking her heart, it can really make me cry. Just like before, it's yesterday once more. Looking back on how it was in years gone by, and the good times that I had, makes today seem rather sad. So much has changed. It was songs of love that I would sing to then, and had memorized each word. Those old melodies still sound so good to me as they melt the years away. Every sha-la-la-la, every woe still shines. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling, then they're starting to sing so fine. All my best memories come back clearly to me. Some can even make me cry. Just like before, it's yesterday once more. Every sha-la-la-la, every woe still shines. so fine. Every sha-la-la-la, every woo still shines. Every shing-da-ding-da-ding, then they're starting to sing, so fine. Moon river, wider than a mile, I'm crossing you in style someday. Oh, dream maker, your heartbreaker, wherever you're going, I'm going your way. Two drifters off to see the world. There's such a lot of world to see. We are after the same rainbow sand, waiting around the bend, my huckleberry friend, Moon River and me. Oh, dream maker, your heartbreaker, wherever you're going, I'm going your way. Two drifters off to see the world. There's such a lot of world to see. We are after the same rainbow sand, waiting around the bend, my huckleberry friend, Moon River and me. Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are few of my favorite things. Cream-colored ponies and crisp apple strudels, doorbells and sleigh bells, schnitzel with noodles, wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes, snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters that melt into springs. These are few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad.